Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're doing the Mash'ems. Yeah, it's the Disney emoji Mash'ems. I never had this thing, and I'm very happy to have this. So I'm gonna put this on my channel, and yeah, let's open it. Whoa, my hand is so big, and I'm just gonna cut it. Why are always these balls, elbow balls, or these Mash'ems are so hard to pull or like open? And it's so squishy. Oh, it's so cool. I've never got these stuff before. And what's that over there? Never mind. And it's so squishy, 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 squishy. Wow, whoa, that's so cute. Wow. He could stand even higher, like this. Isn't he so cute? Oh, he's fine. It's so pretty. It's the funniest thing ever. I love this thing. You can stretch him. You cannot do this. That's not very good for him. But yes, it's like so cool. And you gotta like stretch here. Meow. So black and dark. It reminds me of slime because this box is just so cool. And what slime I should show you? Lots of slime. I showed you guys a lot of slimes before, but I still wanna see it again. Wait a second. So this is so sticky, but it actually has glitter, guys. Whoa, sorry. You guys may not see the glitter, but oh no. Yeah, it makes a lot of resolution. And I'm gonna show you guys. My hands are black. That is so horrible. I'm just clapping my hands and hope it will stick away. But never mind. Slime is fun, not bad. So we'll have to find another slime to make me happy. Here is the slime. I love this slime. It absorbs all of my stuff, but that also makes a big resolution. But it does it in a quick way. Look. My hands have gone a lot better now. I'm going to show you this later because, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. It actually sticked on my iPad. Whoa. Look at this slime. It's so black. And it just sticks to it right away. Skip a little if you think it's so boring. And whoa, it's so cute. And that's the end of my video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, it's a thumbs up, not down. Up, up. And